Hey, Stephen here with another DIY musician guide. It's been a while since we've looked at a really helpful tool. That sounds really strange to say. But picture the scene, you've just put out a new release, but you realise, oh, I sleep 7 or 8 hours a day, and also I'm out in the day. I can't actually put out these tweets to tell the world about it. Well, I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that and automate the whole process with a service called Buffer. Buffer is a service where you can add social posts to a queue and they'll post out automatically during scheduled points of the day. You can sync up social platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even Google+. Who uses that anymore? It's a great way to spread out alert messages instead of just bombarding people with them all at once. I wouldn't really recommend it for general like social posts because, you know, social media is supposed to be social at the end of the day, but for this kind of thing, alert messages, I think it's great. In this example, I'm going to be adding some alert tweets centering around my recent Wired to Follow release, so let's jump in. But before that, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, let's head over to buffer.com and sign up. After creating an account, you'll want to connect your social profiles. So just for this, I'm going to be using Twitter in this example, but do go ahead and sync up any other accounts if you want to. With your accounts linked up, let's go ahead and sort out our posting schedule. Click on the settings option on the right hand side menu and choose posting schedule. You may want to edit the time zone to reflect your own, and you can also add new posting times to the table below. That table shows times when your posts will go out each day, so go ahead and edit any of them if you need to. Click back on the queue option on the menu so we can start adding some posts. It's a really simple process. Just input your post, select the suggested media if any, and click the add to queue button. Don't worry, you can click back and edit or delete posts in the queue before they go out. I'm going to add 5 posts. I'll go through them now, just to give you some examples of things that you could do. So the first one I'm going to add is saying our latest release is now available on most streaming services. So if people click on this link, you'll see that I've set up a smart URL landing page. If you want to know how to do this yourself, I'll leave a link down below because I did do a video all about how to make one of these sites. Okay, the second one is going to be about following our complete playlist on Spotify because I've added our new tracks to the new playlist. I did actually do another video about why I think it's important to do this, why you should make a complete playlist on Spotify. So again, I'll include a link below all about that too. And the third one is a reminder all about a video that myself and Barry of Wired to Follow made talking about our latest release. So I want people to go and watch that. And our fourth post I'm going to queue up is another reminder about our latest release on Bandcamp, because right now that's where I get money straight away from, so I'm seeing a lot of benefit in sharing Bandcamp straight away. And lastly, it's another reminder about our Wired to Follow YouTube channel, because I want people to follow our vlog on there because I'm having loads of fun doing it and I think more people should see it, so I think it's a good idea to remind people that our band has a YouTube channel. And that's all of my 5 posts all scheduled, ready to go. As you can see, you can mess around with this a little bit, so you can drag and drop each of them in different orders. So if you've looked at it and think, oh, I want that one to go out before that one, etc. Or you can go into each one, as I said before, and edit or delete them if you so wish. And that's pretty much it. On the free plan, you can queue up to 10 posts at a time and connect up to 3 social platforms. You used to get really good engagement stats too, but I think that's either tethered to the paid platform or it's going to be part of a new platform that Buffer is working on. But anyway, let me know how you get on, if you're going to use the service, what you think of it, do you like it or not. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with a DIY musician guide.